We're going to give you a little tour of the neighborhood Nor Arabkir. A nice neighborhood to stay if you are coming here to visit Yerevan. Welcome back, everyone. Welcome back to Yerevan, Armenia. We are back today here in our last video, actually, from here in Yerevan. And of course, as we always do, we're going to give you a little tour of the neighborhood where we've been staying here in Yerevan. So come along. Thanks for clicking on the video. If you want to help out the channel and help it grow, I really would appreciate it. Click on the like button down there, the subscribe button, and the little bell next to it to be notified for when new videos drop. It really helps the channel grow because it's going to help the YouTube algorithm recognize this content and spread it to other YouTube viewers. If you'd like to support the channel monetarily, I would appreciate that as well. You can leave a super thanks by clicking this thanks button here and give a small donation to the channel. I appreciate your support. So back to the video, enjoy. So here in Yerevan, Armenia, the neighborhood we've been staying in is the neighborhood, it's called Nor Arabkir. And where we've been staying actually has been really nice. Our apartment has been it's basically right inside there and behind this this sort of strip mall. It's been really nice because, man, this is a supermarket, that is a laundry service, that is a pharmacy, and there's a bakery there, there's a butcher shop there, a bakery behind the butcher shop, a fruit and vegetable market right there, and another one right here. So we have been absolutely spoiled for all the shopping, for all the things that we need. It's kind of the first time I think I've been in any neighborhood. It's also a little restaurant right here across the street, but first time that we've been really anywhere in any neighborhood where we haven't had to go anywhere to do any kind of shopping, pharmacy, grocery shopping, any of that stuff. It's been literally right outside the door, which is kind of really nice. There's also a bank, 2 banks with ATMs right up on the next block. So it's been very convenient, but that of course is not, that's just sort of luck. We just sort of lucked out with that based on the apartment location itself within the neighborhood. Now that said, this neighborhood is quite nice. I quite like this neighborhood. Nor Arabkir is a really big neighborhood. It's the Arabkir neighborhood is gigantic. It's basically a whole huge section of the city. And Nor Arabkir is a big part of that neighborhood. And it includes a lot of stuff that's actually quite far away from here. So Victory Park, where we made our video, where the giant Mother Armenia statue is, that park actually used to be called Arabkir Park because it's part of the Arabkir neighborhood. So until it was renamed Victory Park after the victory over the Axis powers in World War II, it was Arabkir Park. So, and that's not super close to here. You probably could not walk there from here, or you could, but it would be a long walk from here because we're sort of over in the western part of the neighborhood, and that park is way over in the eastern part of the neighborhood. So if you're definitely if you're going to come to Yerevan and you're thinking about staying in this neighborhood, Arabkir or Nor Arabkir, just do a little research and figure out what part of the neighborhood you want to stay in because like I said, it's a big neighborhood. And like I said, we are staying over in the western part of the neighborhood. We're over by the metro stop, The metro stop is Bareka Mutun, and that's the metro stop that's been closest to us. Actually walking over there right now. Just wanted to walk over directly from the apartment to the metro stop to give you an idea of how close it is. And Yerevan's metro, classic Soviet metro, it's nice. It doesn't have like as extensive of coverage as I would say like Tbilisi. I guess is the only other Soviet metro that I've actually had experience with, but it doesn't have as extensive coverage. There's only one line on the Yerevan metro, but from here in this neighborhood in Nor Arabkir, you can get to like Republic Square and the Cascades Monument and some of the other things that we've seen during our trip here. You can get there very easily from the metro. It's just a few stops. It's another nice thing I think about this neighborhood. It's metro accessible, which is nice, of course. But another thing that's very nice about it is like it's close enough to the middle, like the center. It's close enough to Republic Square and the other more like touristy things that you want to see around Yerevan. But at the same time, even though it's close to those things, it's not like directly in those neighborhoods, so you sort of avoid a lot of the car traffic and foot traffic that come with staying in the center of the city. So it's nice. It's offset a little bit. It's about 2 or 3 metro stops away, which is nice. And of course, like being close to that part of the city, then you're close to like a lot of other things in the city that may not be metro accessible. And some of the times when we've gone to see things, we weren't able to take the metro, and we have to take like a Yandex Go or a taxi. And because this neighborhood is like relatively centrally located, that taxi ride is not too long. So that's nice. It's nice to like not have to take too long of a taxi ride, because even though like taxis and Yandex Go, like rideshare, they're cheaper. They're cheaper here in like Armenia, and the Bolts that we took in Georgia, they're cheaper than they would be in the United States. They're still, they're not cheap. And if you're traveling on a pretty tight budget, then you want to, you want to look for opportunities to save money. One thing about this neighborhood is, as you can see here, the sidewalks are sometimes a little iffy, or sometimes it's hard to tell where they are. There's that construction site back there that sort of blocks the sidewalk, which I think is only temporary. But sometimes the sidewalk is like out next to the street. Sometimes it's over here next to the buildings. Which of course is like, it's something that I've noticed in this neighborhood and some other neighborhoods too. Down in like Republic Square neighborhood, the big central neighborhood, the sidewalks are like, all tiled and really beautiful. Here it's basically just like a little asphalt strip, but it's not that bad. There's definitely always somewhere to walk. So here, back at the corner, here now we're on the main street, and heading north. It's a little louder on this street. Where we are in the neighborhood, tucked back where we are, is away from the bus routes, so it is quieter, which is nice, especially like in the evening. If you're in the apartment, it's not like super loud with traffic noise, road noise. Here, of course, like there's major bus lines running along this street, but That makes sense, of course, because this is the street that the metro stop is on. So here we go. Oh my God, it's messy. Argentina. Guys, messy. Did you see him? I thought he lived in Miami. Apparently he's here in Yerevan. And here we are right here at or coming up to the metro stop. There it is. Pareca metro stop right there. So, like I said, what is it, about 10, 12 minutes walk? Not far at all. Nice walk to get to the metro stop from the apartment, from that part of the neighborhood. And here on the intersection here, this is something that I've noticed all over Yerevan. I think is really cool. There are a lot of like older like Soviet architecture, not just like the big monuments, but also just like the remaining buildings, like on this big, what is sort of like a traffic circle intersection. These buildings across the street, the ones over there, they have a very distinctive style, which I think is really cool. This one too, right here, that we're walking past, very distinctive style. And it's very cool because it's like, I don't know, it seems to be a very Yerevan style. I've seen styles that are similar when we were in Georgia, the few different cities that we visited in Georgia. But these ones, I don't know, they look distinctly Yerevan. So, if we head back up here, now we're walking back towards the apartment from here. And, I mean, what else can I say about this neighborhood? Like most of the neighborhoods where we stay, and this was, of course, by choice, found a neighborhood that's like very walkable. There's lots of shops, cafes, restaurants, all the things you need if you're going to go like grocery shopping or you need to go to the pharmacy. Of course, like I mentioned, in this apartment, all that stuff was like literally right out the front door, which was really nice. But even if we were staying, a block or two away, loud truck, even if we were staying a block or two away, we'd still be close to that kind of stuff. So that's nice. And of course, like we just shown, close to the metro, close to bus lines on that main street back there. Can easily walk maybe like 10 minutes and be on the street with all the bus lines, be at the metro station. So it's nice. It's nice. It's a nice neighborhood. There's seemingly a lot of options in this neighborhood. Heading here back towards the apartment on this one street, like around the corner, a couple blocks down from the apartment, there is this like fruit and vegetable market here, which is really nice. I mean, if in the apartment where we were staying, if the 3 fruit and vegetable stands, like stores, right near there were not enough, you could come down here a couple blocks to this place. But this is sort of like central to the neighborhood also. So if you're staying in another part of the neighborhood, you could easily walk over here to get your fruits, get your vegetables. We have been having some very delicious fruits, especially stone fruits. I think here in Armenia, it seems like they're in season, because every time I go to the market, there's always like stone fruits, delicious, like apricots. Apricots, peaches, plums. Lots of, well, actually, I think we go this way. Lots of very delicious stone fruits. Cherries, too. Really good. All right, we're back here now on our street. Back on our street. Getting back towards the apartment where we started. And so like I said, a nice neighborhood. A nice neighborhood to stay if you are coming here to visit Yerevan. One thing to note, this neighborhood, Nor Arabkir, is up on a hill. So like I mentioned, it's easy to get the metro, easy to get buses, easy to get and pretty cheap to get a taxi or Yandex, like rideshare, from this neighborhood. But because it's like way up on a hill, and it's like a big hill, it's a big hill that has like a switchback road and other like roads that come up to it. Some of those roads, there's no like pedestrian access. You can't walk along them. So this neighborhood is actually relatively contained as far as walking. You can walk around this neighborhood, or at least this part of the neighborhood, this side. Like I said, we're on the west side, but it's a little difficult to, if you want to go on like a long walk and end up down, by like Republic Square or something like that. It's a little difficult. If you look on a map, by distance, you would think, oh yeah, I can walk from here to Republic Square. It might be a long walk, but it's a nice day, so maybe we should just walk it. You'll probably run into some problems there, because the route to get from this neighborhood down the hill to those other neighborhoods is just a lot of times it goes sort of windy, goes out of the way, and you may end up on roads that are like very, very busy with not great like pedestrian infrastructure. So the walk may not be like super comfortable of a walk, and it might end up being longer than you think it's going to be. Anyway, we're back here at the apartment, right here in front of the Parma grocery store, and I think that's going to be it. That's going to be it for this video, and that's going to be it for here in Yerevan, and that's going to be it for here in Armenia too, because we're actually going to be leaving Yerevan and leaving Armenia. We're going to a different country, new city, new country. I'm not going to tell you which one though, so you're going to have to stay tuned for that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll see you in the next one.